If you're looking for motivation, this isn't for you. If you're tired of advice that doesn't work, stay. You fail because you're running the wrong system. Look around you. Everyone is chasing the same noise. They want the result, but they reject the protocol. The system is the only way. You sit there, hacked by Silicon Valley engineers, bankrupted by cheap dopamine. You are a consumer, a ghost in a machine that hates you. You think you are lazy? No, you are just ill-configured. You have been lied to about your own potential. The architecture is broken. You are a slave to your emotions because you have no citadel. Without walls, anything can enter your mind and destroy your focus. We don't build habits, we build architecture. This is the end of your wandering mind. Welcome to the reckoning. Warrior or consumer? Decide. Hardware first, software second. Most of you are trying to run advanced programs. On broken hardware, you ignore the light, and you suffer. You don't sleep. You ignore the morning spike, and you wonder why your mind is in a fog. You are a circadian nightmare. Listen closely. Your brain is anti-fragile. It requires stress to grow, but it requires a system to survive. You must be forged. If you spend 90% of your time under artificial lighting, you are bankrupted by default. The signal is lost. Reclaim the hardware now. We start with the body. We start with the ritual of light. 30 minutes of sunlight, or you remain weak. This is body alchemy. Stop pre-negotiating with your biological mandates. When the general says sleep, the legionary shuts the gates. There is no progress without a foundation. Your mind is not weak, it is hacked. Every app on your phone runs a war room aimed at your neural circuitry. Their objective is simple. Hijack your dopamine. Keep it. Short loops. Fast hits. Infinite feeds. Your brain learns one thing in this environment. Effort is optional. Reward is cheap. This is dopamine slavery. Motivation dies here because it was never designed to fight an industrial attack. You blame yourself. You say, I have no discipline. False. You were trained to chase spikes, not to build structure. In this void, time dissolves. Day and night blur. You rest with your screen inches from your face. Burnout is not a badge of honor. It is a system failure. The engine has overheated. You are in the void now, but your integrity is already being tested. Only those who stabilize their hardware will forge a character that success cannot ignore. The commander is rising. 3 truths define your state. First, you are not disorganized. Your nervous system is overstimulated. Second, you do not lack focus. Your focus has been spent in advance, in micro-payments of distraction. Third, you are drowning in signals that cancel each other out. Stop blaming character and start repairing hardware. A legion does not march at random hours. It moves with the sun. Your body is the same. Circadian rhythm is not a wellness slogan. It is your command protocol. Discipline starts with photons. Morning light sets your clock. Darkness locks in your repairs. You want discipline? Start with light. When light hits your eyes, cortisol spikes on purpose. It is a launch sequence, not a panic attack. It signals the body to mobilize energy and focus. If you miss the morning light, you miss the start gun. The engine creates friction. Repair crews do not deploy at night. Synapses do not reset. You wake up with yesterday's waste still clogging the machine. Break this loop, or no mindset can save you. Your brain is not porcelain. It is steel. It requires stress to sharpen, but it must be the right stress. Chronic chaos is all stress, no structure. That breaks the sword, and comfort rusts the blade. BioStoicism stands in the center. Deliberate stress. Inside a stable rhythm. Become anti-fragile. A nervous system that sleeps, wakes, and trains on schedule. It becomes unbreakable. Only when the hardware is stable do we touch the software. The foundation is laid. Discipline is not a feeling. It is an operating system. Stop asking, how do I feel about this task? Feelings do not run the army. We use discipline practice without holes, daily rituals that never negotiate. In BioStoicism, discipline is architecture, not goodwill. You design walls and channels that make the right action the default. Chaos must become expensive. No more pre-negotiations with weakness. No app notification should have the same access to your attention as your life's work. You revoke that clearance. With structure, you build the inner citadel. The nervous system lives in micro-decisions. 3 seconds decide whether you scroll or move. We implement the 3-second kill switch. When the urge to distract rises, you have 3 seconds to act. Without debate. 3, 2, 1. Move! Close the tab. Stand up. Cold water on the face. Back to the single target. Not dramatic, not heroic, just execution. This is a set of rules written in stone. Rule 1. Devices sleep outside the bedroom. Rule 2. Light hits your eyes before any screen. Rule 3. 1 deep work block before consuming anything. These are law. The fortress is built from the inside out. Every time you say no to a distraction, you add a brick to your inner citadel. 1 deep work block before you feed your mind with the noise of others. Silence is the foundation of your war room. With hardware stable and software disciplined, the path becomes clear. We are no longer training, we are executing. Welcome to the war room. Success is not a miracle. Wealth is not a personality trait. They are biological consequences of repeated execution inside a functional system. Extreme ownership is not shouting. It is calmly accepting. This is my hardware. This is my software. No one is coming to configure it for me. We apply the single target doctrine. 1 priority per cycle. 1 clear outcome per day. 1 campaign per quarter. Scatter your focus, and you scatter your output. Aim the entire nervous system at a single objective, and the world calls it talent. A general protects his assets. You are the primary asset. Your sleep, your focus, your nervous system. Do not squander them. The commander does not chase money. Commander builds a character that money cannot avoid. That commander is you. 90 days of this, and the outside world notices. Not because you manifested, but because you became statistically unavoidable. Guard your sleep like a fortress. Seek morning light every single day. Run fixed habits. Wake, work, recovery. You will not feel motivated every day. You are not required to. You are required to show up and let biology do its work. You are not broken. You are just untrained. The protocols are written. The initiation has begun. Enter the system. Respect the hardware, forge the character, see description, dismissed.